Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful day and we have another beautiful problem to be solved. Today, as you can see on the screen, we have a beautiful problem to find the area of the shaded region ABC, A, B, and C, which is inside another right triangle ADC. And we have some choices at the bottom. Which of these would be the right answer? Let's solve this step by step. To solve this problem, we have two sides of the triangle. AD equals 8 meters and AC is equal to 17 meters. Our goal would be to find BC so that we could calculate the area of the triangle A, B, and C with its formula for finding the area of the triangle. Now in triangle ADC, we know that side AD is equal to 8 meters and side AB is equal to 10 meters. Let's consider the Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square, which is AB squared is equal to AD square, which is 8 meters, plus DB square. And plugging in the values, we have 10 square is equal to 8 square plus DB square. DB square is equal to 10 square minus 8 square, which is 100 minus 64, and we have 36. Therefore, DB, side DB, is equal to 36 meters. Now that we found out the side DB, let's move on to phase 2 of the solution. Now let's consider the bigger triangle ADC. The right triangle ADC, we know that AD is equal to 8 meters, and AC, the hypotenuse, is equal to 17 meters. Once again, using the Pythagoras theorem, AC square, which is 17 square, is equal to 8 square, AD square, plus DC square. And DC square, plugging in the values, we can work out DC as square root of 289 minus 64. It's square root of 225. DC, it is equal to 15 meters. Now that we've found out DC is equal to 15 meters, let's plug that in the diagram. Okay. So now we know that DC is 15 meters. We can work out what the value of BC is going to be. So DC is 15 meters, and 15 minus 6 would be 9 meters. So BC is equal to 9 meters. And in our next step, let's consider the triangle A, B, and C. Now we know all the sides of this triangle. AC is equal to 70 meters, AB is equal to 10 meters, and BC is equal to 9 meters. In triangle ABC, the sides are as follows. Therefore, the area of the triangle ABC, the shaded region, is equal to half times base times height. Although AD lies outside of the blue triangle ABC, it can be considered as the height of the triangle. It doesn't necessarily have to be inside the triangle, as long as the height is the distance between the base of the triangle, which is BC, and the opposite vertex of the triangle, which is A. It doesn't necessarily have to be inside the triangle. So now we have base equal to 9 meters and height equal to 8, which is AD, and we have 36 square meters. Half times 9 times 8, which would work out to be 36 square meters. You could also apply Heron's formula and calculate semi-perimeter S, which is 10 plus 17 plus 9, which is equal to 36 by 2, equals 18. The area could be worked out with this following formula. Plugging in the values, we would have 1296, which is equal to 36 square meters. So now we have the answer is 36 meters square. And that is your answer. I'll catch you on the next one.